This three-bedroom farmhouse combines historic architecture, updated interiors, and usable acreage in eastern North Carolina, offering a rare blend of charm, comfort, and country living. Built in 1897 and thoughtfully restored over the years, this home sits on 3.77 peaceful acres across two parcels. In a quiet rural setting just minutes from Snow Hill, with easy access to Greenville, Goldsboro, and Kinston. As you arrive, the property immediately feels private and inviting, surrounded by mature trees, open yard space, and a classic countryside atmosphere. It offers the kind of setting where you can enjoy quiet mornings, open skies, and relaxed rural living while still staying close to nearby towns and amenities. Inside, the home showcases a seamless mix of old and new. Engineered hardwood flooring runs throughout the house, paired with updated finishes while still preserving the original character and craftsmanship of the historic structure. The remodeled kitchen is designed for both everyday living and entertaining, featuring custom built-ins, abundant cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a large central island that serves as the heart of the home. Spacious living areas provide a warm and comfortable atmosphere, filled with natural light and highlighted by detailed trim work and a gas log fireplace that adds both charm and function. The downstairs primary bedroom offers convenience and flexibility, while the upstairs bedrooms continue the home's character with cozy layouts and historic charm. One of the standout features of the home is the dramatic black and white foyer, which sets the tone for the rest of the property's restored elegance and thoughtful design. Outside, a classic covered front porch offers the perfect place to relax and enjoy the surrounding landscape. The property also includes a wraparound driveway for easy access, an attached carport, and a wired workshop, ideal for storage, hobbies, or projects. With its blend of historic charm, modern upgrades, and usable land, this property delivers a unique opportunity to own a piece of Eastern North Carolina history that has been carefully preserved and thoughtfully updated for today's lifestyle.